In today's video, we will see how to read a .csv file into Pandas, as well as how to read how to read a Excel file into Pandas. Okay, for that you have to open the Anaconda prompt. Here I am storing all the my files onto D drive. So here I am giving a D drive path. So here I am writing D, then colon. After that, here I am using a Jupyter notebook. So I am writing here Jupyter notebook. Okay. So here there is space in between Jupyter notebook. So Jupyter space notebook. Then you have to enter. After that, Jupyter notebook will open. Now Jupyter notebook is opening. Wait for a minute. Now see here, Jupyter notebook is opened. Okay. Now see the screen. On the right hand side of a screen, new is there. Click on the new. Then just a minute, it's not all opened. Now see here, after clicking on new, Python 3 is there. So click on Python 3. So new page will appear. Okay. So this is your new page. So in is your input line. Suppose I want to read CSV file from the database or from the dataset. So before moving to anything, you have to import OS. Import OS. So command for importing OS is, you have to write down import OS. Then click on the run. Here line number 1. Okay. Now here we have to import Pandas libraries. So for importing Pandas library, you have to give a command import Pandas as PD. You can give any variable name. Suppose Pandas name I am giving as a PD. So click on run. And here this star shows this library is going to execute. After execution, it will shows the line number. Okay. The meaning of star is this line is still in execution state. Okay, after finishing, now see the here it is displaying the number. Now suppose I want to read a Excel file from Jupyter notebook. So before reading this file, we have to create a data set into D drive. So I am creating a data set into D drive. So click on D drive. See here, I have already created a data set which is created a Excel file which is having name as a dataset1. See, this is a Excel file having the name as a dataset1. Suppose I want to read this file. Okay, for reading this file I have to give one command, that is, I will write here. Just a minute, this file is opening. Okay, see, this is your dataset file which is in Excel. Okay, now close this file. Okay, now open the Jupyter. Now command for opening a file which is in Excel. So suppose I am giving variable name as a df is equals to pd, which is a variable of pandas, dot read read underscore, here is our Excel file, Excel in bracket, opening bracket, closing bracket, then in double quotation you have to write down the dataset name. Our dataset name is dataset1 dot, you have to write down the extension, that is XLSX. Here my Windows is 10, so I am writing here XLSX. Okay, now click on the run. Still this is under execution state because of this tab I am doing. Okay, this line is successfully executed. Now write down df1, click on the run, then it will display the content which is available into the file. This is how we are reading a Excel file in Pandas. Now suppose I want to read a CSV file into Pandas. In that case, before reading you have to create the dataset which is having CSV extension. So go to D drive. Here I have already created a .csv file. Before that I will tell you how to create a CSV file. You have to click on new, then text document, click on text document. Suppose here I am giving the name as a data1. Okay, now click on this text document. Here I am writing this is CSV file I am reading. Okay, now you have to save as a file having .csv extension. Click on all files, click on data1 having extension .csv. Now this is how we have created .csv file. Now close this file. Okay, now read this file into Jupyter. For this you have to give command df2. Suppose I am writing df2 is equals to pd dot read. Our file type is CSV, so you have to write down CSV, open bracket, close bracket, then double quotation. Into this you have to write down the file name data1 dot csv. Okay, now run this code. Here we have successfully run the code. Then write down df2, which will display the content into file. So after clicking on the run, it will show that this is CSV file I am reading, which already written into your CSV file. So this is command for writing the CSV for reading the CSV file from Pandas.